So finally we reached our hotel, and this is our hotel, Hotel Madhavi. So today we are gonna stay in this room, and this is my childhood friend Vishal. So right now we are going to take some rest, and evening we are going to MG Marg. It's a famous marketplace, so we'll explore that and I will keep you updated. So this is MG Marg of Gangtok. It's a very crowded place usually, and it's very famous place also. So there are lots of market over here, and you will be getting plenty of restaurants. Very beautiful temple out here. So it's in near MG Marg only. So it's newly constructed. So let's see. We are in a restaurant. Its name is Old Delhi Mughlai Restaurant and Bar. Okay, so you can guess that non-veg is preferable for us. Let's see what we order. So I guess we are ordering rumali roti, and butter chicken, right? Okay. We are done for the day, and hope you guys like my video. So more videos are coming on Sikkim, so stay tuned with us and subscribe to my channel, Vlog Boy.